Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change your username on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change your username on your Pinterest account, I just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the unsaved option. After clicking on the unsaved option, you just need to click on the profile picture on the top. So actually the profile picture on the top bottom here. Click on this. Now you have to click on the view profile. Click on this. Now you have to click on the edit profile again. So now you have the first option called first name, last name. It's actually a name, not the username. So you have the next third column called username. Click here. So this is called username. You can just edit it. So here I just going to just type as Tilak Tech and click on the done option. Now you can see the Pinterest name has been changed like Tilak Tech. So this is how you just change your username on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.